Hello everyone, welcome back to my world. This is part 2 of my Warsaw vlog. I don't know how many stations are there in Warsaw, but we were at this, I think West Part station. Yeah, naadira sa taas. Nakabutang, Warszawa, Zagodnia. So, nami sa gawas, waiting for our boat ride kay na ay surprise si husband. Na-surprise ko kay 4 p.m. pa day ang check-in, abi kog 2 p.m. 2 p.m. usually, di ba? So anyhow, mao ni siya ang surprise ni husband iha kong gidala sa Filipino restaurant diri sa Warsaw. Kay I've been homesick gyud. Like grabe, 360 degrees akong pagka-homesick. Like everything here is completely different gyud sa Asia. Like hello, makawarla, pero may gani no, kay blessed ta din dapita ka natay thoughtful nga husband. Sekreto da siyang pinangita online no, kanang nag-ask pa siya kay co-pilot kung naabay Filipino restaurant diri sa Poland. Well, I am very glad and very grateful to him. Moving on, char. Mga tao diri kay best in Lakaw. So ang bet ni husband kay magsuro de mi atong nice na kay siya nga park. Niya kay duol ra daw niya ang duol day pero perti di ang hike namo. So mao na siya ang park. Sa may tawag na weeping tree ba na siya? Basta kay ako na siya nakita sa mga horror movies. But anyhow, mao na siya ang park. Very nice view. Nice diri mag-jogging or mag-walking o mag-date-date. Nakalimot ko sa ngalan ani nga park, but doon ra pod siya sa station. So mo na siya no. Nagpa-video ko sa akong bana kay para lagi pang Instagram day niya kay unsa man nga nagtakilid man ay gusto unta ko adtong kuan portrait, but anyway, sige lang. So bawal day mo anha dira sa tubig nor mo ambak nor mag-swimming. The tiniest apples I have ever seen. So by this time, ikapoy na kog hike no. He would fish here. What?
Yeah.
Walkway.
Maybe someone's camping the city.
We're going to the top. Another walk. Doggy. Anyway, kapoy na kog voice over dugay mo man aning video eh.
Fine trees. Turn on the battle with the German soldiers. So in Warsaw there is a lot of about the Warsaw uprising. Important moment in 20th century of Poland. You know, showing the Polish spirit.
Of course. Di ba nice kay ko maghuwag mga angles niya di, pero pag ako nalantawa ganun samot man ko kaputot uy taas-taas pa nga tutorial akong atubangon ani. So very amazing ang ilahang mga kahoy diri kay mga tagas kaayo, mga dagko kaayo chat lang tawon samot na sunset. So ano siya ang kuan mura katong mini waterfall. So what are you gonna say?
It's very peaceful here. Very nice.
On the grass. Be introducing to me?
Some historical landmarks and historical information I know about Warsaw. We'll see how much I know.
Yeah, you know a lot. You read.
Last time I was in Warsaw when I was a child, so it's a rediscovery for me also.
Okay, we will discover it together. Oh my gosh, those kids are gonna fall. I hope not. So, Mr. Tour Guide, where to next?
This way.
What is there?
Because then we'll find another place of this park.
And then we'll go back?
If you want to go fast to lose a competition game today, yeah.
Oh!
Then you have a plan.
We're not going back yet.
Picture of that.
Yeah, the bridge.
The design.
Okay, now video.
The picture when I'm smiling.
No, you were so serious all the
I'm
time.
waiting for the one that would be like a more smiley. Come on.
Why? Are you funny?
Yeah, I like to be.
You like to funny?
I like to have fun and relax.
So on our way back to the Airbnb, we saw this family of swans. Ya, kana siya ang male. Ambot basa mao na siya ang male. And finally, nakagawas na kami sa park, guys. And padong mi sa job ka, kay mamalit piog ka ng snack gamay unyang gabi. So bahala no mag-vlog-vlog ka diri na mga tao manglabay, wa jud manghilabot. So that's what I really like about Poland, guys. It's very safe here. Amo na siya ang sulod sa ilang job ka. Mura na siya 7-Eleven nila diri. The first thing I grab is water. Ambot niya akong kauban kay dili man niya siya hinubig ganang kape juice gina siya. So ako nalay mangunay kuha og tubig. So mo sa ilang siya kay mga ani kana ikaw rin magsakan ang magbayad. Wa na tindira day. So mo na siya pasulod na siya sa Airbnb. And gani kay ang mga lights no automatic na siya musiga. So this is our room, gubot. Kaya wa nang hinlo diretso laag ganina. Oh my gosh, it's so bright. Tiny bed. Minus lang kasagara sa ilang buildings wala AC, but may gani kay dili igang. Sumara to siya. Bye.